Hi, we're back. We're so back again with some more foolishness.
We've been thinking, if you're tired of the holidays,
tired of your family,
tired of being around people you love,
we've got just the drink for you.
Just the thing.
And this drink goes back to our the beginning of our friendship over 10 years ago.
Classic holiday drink, really.
Okay, you ready? Yeah. 10 High Sour Mash Bourbon Whiskey.
Straight whiskey shots for the family, not for the kids. Not for the kids. Real simple, real easy. Step one, get some glasses. They don't gotta be this. They don't have to be Jägermeister.
They cute though.
They're cute though.
Pour it in.
Bum, 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 bum. Insert douche music here. You know what?
Oh.
For the crew.
To the crew.
For the crew.
Look at that.
To the crew.
Beautiful.
To the crew, for the crew. I'm really sorry. It's the worst.
Are we sorry though? Also, a variation.
If you're trying to watch your figure during these holidays,
try Coke.
That little extra spice.
It's just, you know, the little sweet to kind of combat the spicy.
I can't wait for 2021. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
What are you doing?
My bad. That's how you do it.
Thank you.
Deuces.